Hey, Jimmy from Cuff and Stuff. Man, have we got another good one for you today. We're doing Carolina smoked barbecued shrimp. Oh, this is so good. It is so easy, it's quick, it'll feed a bunch of people. You will not believe how good this is. This is something you're gonna wanna see, so hang tight. Okay, well, we've got a couple of pounds of small to medium-sized shrimp. It's okay. I wish I could tell you this was fresh off the boat. It's not. This was frozen, but I have deveined, shelled. They're ready to go. Tails are gone, and so it's time to season them up. All right, what am I going to start with? I'm going to start with the original Uncle Steve. This is what he started me off on, and believe me, this is some good stuff. All right, to that, let's mix it up a little bit. I'm gonna add something that's good with fish, seafood, and anything else you want to put on it, and that's Gator Shake. I have used Gator Shake on just about everything, and when it comes to doing shrimp, I'm gonna have to say Gator Shake is my favorite. So let's mix this up, and I want to use plenty because that's good stuff. All right, get it mixed up good. Put it in. All right, so now let's go with this sauce we're gonna make. Now this is 2 whole sticks of butter, okay? To that, I'm gonna add about a 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce. This is Lee & Perrins. That's about all I use, and I think I can eyeball this to a 1/4 cup. Come on, that's a new bottle, so it's coming slow. All right, that ought to be good. Let's see, let's stir him up. Oh yeah, that ought to be about right. It darkens it up just a little bit, not too terribly much. To that, I'm gonna add the juice of about 2 lemons. I didn't have any fresh, this will work. That ought to be good. I like lemon juice. Let's stir it up. And to that, I want to add just a little bit of parsley. There we go. All right. So let's mix him in there. All righty. Look at that. Okay, see what I got? That's what it looks like, and I am going, what I want to do is I want to cover this. So I'm going to use it all. And there we go. And let's take and mix it. I want that to cover this shrimp good. Oh, isn't that pretty? Okay. All right, let's let this sit for a few minutes. And while we do that, we're gonna get the pit boss ready, and then we're going straight to the pit boss. Okay, well, we've got the pit boss on the smoke setting. You can see she's smoking away here. I'm gonna put it right in the middle, close it back up, and we're off. Now on the smoke setting, I'm gonna leave this about 15 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna turn it up to 250. And when I do, that's when I'll bring you back. Okay, well, we've let this go 15 minutes in the smoke. And you can see we still got the smoke turning. So it's time to turn it up. $250. Blink. And we're gonna bring it up to 250. Now, we let that smoke on a lower temperature for 15 minutes. So this is probably gonna take about 40 more minutes, about 45 total. But we're gonna come back in about 30 minutes and check on it and see how we are. We'll look at the shrimp. So we're gonna bring it up to 250 and we'll go from there. So we'll bring you back. Okay, well, we have hit 30 minutes at 250. Let's stir this up, take a look. Yeah, they're starting to get pink, which is what we want. You see this butter is cooking down in with the shrimp. Some of this looks a little translucent still. So we're gonna let it continue. Stir it up good here. Okay, so let's close it back up. We're gonna go, let's say 10 more minutes and we'll bring you back. Okay, well, 10 more minutes. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah. Yeah, these are turning pink. They look good. You know me, I'm gonna have to try this. Oh my goodness. Melts in your mouth. That's perfect. Oh, that's got a good flavor. Okay. Well, let's take this off. We'll let it rest for just a little bit. Hard not to keep going. It's like crack. We'll take it off. We're gonna go inside. And I'm gonna show you what a Carolina boy does with this. So stick with us. We'll bring you back. Okay, well, here's what we're gonna do. Got our bowl. Let's dip some rice over into our bowl. This is 2 cups of rice that we did for this. It's a lot of rice, I know. All right. Take our shrimp. Dip our shrimp into it. Oh, this smells so good. And I've already tried this shrimp, and I'm gonna tell you what. Butter. It is butter. I'll get some of this juice in here. This is good stuff. There we go. And there's only one thing left to do with this, and that is to try it. Okay, here we go. Shrimp, rice, sauce. Ooh. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna tell you what, you will not believe. Uncle Steve, if you've never done this with your shake, Try it. Oh my gosh. Folks, www.unclesteveshake.com. Get that original. Get that gator shake. Try this shrimp. You will not believe how good it is. Unreal. It's like eating flavored shrimp butter. It is so good. It's got that smoked flavor. It's got the flavor from the gator shake and butter. Man, it's so good. Thanks for sticking around. If you haven't already, hit the circle on this side. Subscribe. I'll have another video for you over here. Until next time, hang tight.